और डैड हमेशा साथ में बैठ के, पता नहीं लंबी चौड़ी बातें, साथ में पकौड़े खा रहे हैं, सैंडविचेस खा रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ इनका साथ में चलता रहता था। अगर आलिया मेरे साथ 2 मिनट बात कर लेती थी तो डैड काफी जेलस हो जाते थे। और ये उनका कैरेक्टर है फिल्म के अंदर कि ही इज अ फादर हु कांट एक्सेप्ट एनी गाय, ही थिंक्स नो गाय कैन बी गुड इनफ फॉर हिज डॉटर। और वो एक्चुअली उस रिलेशनशिप फॉर्मेट में चले गए थे। एक चीज मुझे जरूर याद है, हम लोगों ने इस फिल्म के अंदर एक सीक्वेंस किया है जो बंजी जंपिंग, मैं वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ हम लोगों ने इस फिल्म के अंदर एक बंजी जंपिंग सीक्वेंस किया है एंड इट वाज एक्चुअली, हम लोग टू सम एक्सटेंट इट्स शॉट लाइव एंड टू सम एक्सटेंट बिकॉज उसमें डायलॉग्स हैं जैसा मैंने कहा, तो उसके लिए वी हैड टू बी ऑन अ हार्नेस एंड ऑल दैट। तो हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे एंड इट वाज वेरी टायरिंग बिकॉज वी वर जस्ट हैंगिंग देयर फॉर मेनी आवर्स एंड द होल डे वी वर शूटिंग, और काफी गर्मी थी उस दिन, व्हिच वाज प्रॉब्ली द ओनली डे जब गर्मी थी। एंड मैं काफी मुझे बहुत टाइट लग रहा था, तो कुछ देर के बाद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था यार कि आई वांट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस, एंड माय डैड इज 61, लेकिन वो हार्नेस से नहीं उतरे, मैं 2 बार उतरा। So that's something amazing that I saw of him. और उनके लिए he's got spondylosis and so it's difficult for him, but he never once said anything, and that to me was absolutely amazing. Last दिन जो था इस फिल्म का, वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग दिन था। उस दिन मैंने एक लाइव टेनिस मैच देखा विकास बहल और मेरे फादर के बीच में। क्योंकि लास्ट दिन था, विकास बहल सोए नहीं थे, वो सुबह 6 बजे तक पार्टी कर रहे थे कि फाइनली दिस फिल्म इज ओवर और मेरी जिंदगी मुझे वापस मिल जाएगी। और डैड जो थे, बिकॉज हम एक डॉर्मेट्री में रह रहे थे जहां पे सब एक ही फ्लोर के ऊपर रह रहे थे सब लोग, वो रात भर सोए नहीं थे बिकॉज फैंटम के लोग जो है वो एक साइड से दूसरी तरफ से हा यही हो रहा था सुबह 6 बजे तक। तो हाँ तो वो बहुत इरिटेटेड, पूरी रात सोए नहीं आए थे। और उस दिन एक डिस्कशन हुआ, फिल्म के लास्ट दिन डिस्कशन हुआ, और डिस्कशन का सब्जेक्ट था एक्चुअली व्हाट इज शानदार, what is this film, what is the meaning of this film and what is the soul of this film। और ये फिल्म का लास्ट डे था, तो that was a very interesting experience, जहाँ इस तरफ डैड खड़े हुए थे और इस तरफ विकास खड़े हुए थे, और दोनों के बीच में 15-20 मिनट की एक डिस्कशन हुई जो फिल्म की शुरुआत में होनी चाहिए थी, बट वो फिल्म के लास्ट दिन पे हुई। So ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस।
विकास आपकी दाईं ओर।
यार मुझे तो न्यू और ओल्ड का फर्क पता नहीं होगा कि मेरे तो यही है जो फिल्म मेकिंग है। So, but I think this is by time to get irresponsible and have more fun, because whatever someone has to achieve has happened last year. So a good film has happened, it's got a lot of acclaim. So it's now time to go and have fun. So I actually feel totally burden free. I feel now's the time to just go and have fun, make lots of films, keep writing new ideas and enjoy yourself, because something which I'm probably wanted to achieve once in my life has already been done. So now I'm totally burden free and totally easy at my work.
Karan,
Alia ji. Here. Hello. यहाँ. Alia. इधर.
अरे हाथ उठा दो यार। अच्छा आप यहीं हैं।
हाँ बोलिए।
आलिया जी बहुत पहले इंस्पायर है उस फिल्म से।
या विकास से पूछिए ना। I don't think inspired है।
But you know, I love that film.
बहुत
so if
अच्छा
actually it is like that film, that'll be really fabulous. But actually there's no connection between those two.
No
stories
connection.
at all. But now that you mention it, that was a really good.
But see the father, एक तो बात है, father-daughter angle is in everybody's life. Even my father will always be jealous of anybody in my life. Let's not talk about who, but let's say anybody. So that's something that we've caught on to, and I feel hopefully will connect with the audience really well, because obviously mother-daughter, mother-son relationship is something, but a father-daughter relationship can get really cute, and I think that's what we've tried to achieve in this film.
और शाहिद जी आपकी शादी हुई है अभी। कांग्रेस।
मैंने क्या बोला?
शादी का क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रही हूँ।
अच्छा।
तो बोलते हैं कि शादी का लड्डू जो खाता है वो भी पछताता है और जो नहीं खाता है वो भी पछताता है। तो आपके अगल-बगल में दो हैं जिन्होंने नहीं
खाए हैं लड्डू।
शादी के आपने शादी की अभी।
आपके हस्बैंड यहाँ हैं? नहीं है ना, इसलिए पूछ रही है सवाल। मैं इतने सारे लोगों के बारे में सिर्फ बोलता हूँ it's great.
Karan, what is quirky romance for you? Elaborate.
What is key romance for you?
Lipika.
Shahid. What is quirky romance for you? You want me to elaborate?
Yeah. According to you, describe.
I have, ma'am, FIRs lodged when I elaborated. So, do you really want me to be sitting under litigation or under legality during the release of this film? I don't think so. In fact, I have a release before that. I'm not telling you what my idea of quirky romance is. I'm really sorry.
Alia, shayad on your right. On your right. On your right. Yeah.
My right. Yeah, our right is
Yeah. From what we have heard, we know that you guys play insomniacs in this film.
Yes, that's true. Yeah.
Perhaps.
Okay. Is there any recent moment that
I didn't know whether we should say.
You're
was
allowed.
that a spoiler?
You're allowed.
Yeah.
Great.
We just figured out that we are. Then what's the
Do you
question?
remember any recent moment where you had to spend sleepless night for some particular event that might have happened in your life? Not hinting at it.
What kind of events are you talking about, brother?
Yeah, what kind of events are you talking about?
Quirky events?
Sleepless nights.
Together or apart?
Together would be great. I don't know.
Oh, what the?
You and Alia had a sleepless night when?
What are you talking about, sir?
No, I'm talking about any independent
Independent.
event separate of each other.
Specify.
Sleepless nights.
You want us to talk about reasons why we don't sleep? Which are quirky? Separately?
But that's there are some reasons why people don't sleep that are quirky are now banned.
Vijay, a question for you. You know, Bombay Velvet hasn't done very well, which was Fox's last release. How much
Coming
of
back
it,
to sleepless nights.
how much is the success of Shandar important to Fox as a studio?
Okay, so we are here for the long term, right? So that's the starting point. And I think the important thing is that we've started a very special relationship with Karan and Dharma. As you know, the first film actually goes out this week, which is Brothers. And it's hugely excited. I don't think I need to say anything about Shandar. I think you can all see how excited everybody is after seeing the trailer. So very special film for us, and we're really looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Hello, everyone. On your left,
Yeah.
Pia from
Karan ji.
CNN IBN.
Hi.
Okay, another Shandar film, which is Sholay, is completing 40 years on the 15th of August. What are your memories and probably your iconic dialogues which you remember from the film?
Well, my one memory which is attached to Shandar and raises questions about how Sholay was done was how we shot the horse riding sequence in Shandar. We were not on horses. We, I have to tell them. Yeah.
I was on a horse.
No, you were not. You liar. We sat on a horse for exactly 3 seconds in the shot where we were both together with
And I finished taking it in that much time. This doesn't.
with exactly 3 people holding the reins because they were too scared that it was too dangerous to leave me and Alia on a horse. However, the rest of the sequence was very interestingly done, and I must tell everybody about this because it's something which I also discovered, where they have this huge trailer truck, and then they have this huge little thing behind it, like this thing with tires and stuff, and then they have poles attached to that, and then they have bungee cables, and on those bungee cables they put drums. And so actually you're sitting on 2 drums, which are attached on bungee cables, and the way you ride the horse is by making yourself go up and down like this. So the entire sequence that we shot was with us actually doing this throughout and acting like we're on a horse. So please, a big round of applause. You made it look pretty real, yeah? So I wonder how they actually shot all the horse riding sequences in Sholay.
In Sholay also, they were all on drums.
They're all on drums.
Yeah, all of them.
I thought you said drugs.
No. ये cut out कर दो.
Karan ji,
Karan, any memory?